when looking for your next home, location is your biggest consideration. Set on a quiet cul-de-sac, backing onto the 16th hole of Morningstar Golf Course, you will find 1191 Rosemount Close in French Creek. I'm Michael Vinsky, Realtor, RE/MAX First Realty. Let's take a look at this sophisticated, stylish home, and you'll see why you want to come home to it every single day. This gorgeous golf course home has had numerous updates over the last 3 years, including a brand new furnace in 2019. I'm Michael Vinsky. If you'd like additional information or to book a private showing, please contact me at 250-607-7977.